Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about public buildings, so let's get started. Describe a public building you'd like to visit. One public building I enjoy visiting is the local library. Where is the building located? It's situated in the heart of the town. What does this building look like? The building has a modern and welcoming architecture. And what is this building used for? It serves as a repository of books and provides a quiet space for reading and studying. Why do you like visiting this building? I appreciate it because it's a peaceful place to read and learn. So, the questions are very short today. Next up is our reading passage. Let's go through it together and see if I can give you some more insight into the topic at hand. The local library is an architectural marvel in our town. It is a testament to the power of knowledge and community. The modern design and inviting atmosphere attracts people from all walks of life. The library's exterior has a blend of contemporary aesthetics and functional design. The glass facade adds elegance and allows natural light to flood the interior. It includes classic literature, contemporary fiction, non-fiction, and educational resources. The library has an extensive collection of books spanning various genres. The library provides quiet corners for solitude and collaborative study areas. The quiet corners are a refuge for those seeking solitude. The study areas foster camaraderie among students and scholars. Regular storytelling sessions and workshops engage children in interactive learning experiences. The library has children's reading corners with vibrant illustrations and comfortable seating. The library offers modern amenities, such as computer stations with internet access, and individuals can explore digital resources and broaden their horizons. People can nourish their minds and souls with books and historical texts. The library provides a serene environment for uninterrupted reading and exploration. It offers a respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Take a look at some of these and see if you can take them into your English language skills. Nestled in the heart of the city, inviting atmosphere, a testament to modern design, classic literature, contemporary fiction, non-fiction, educational resources, quiet corners, collaborative study areas, camaraderie, vibrant illustrations, comfortable seating, literary journeys, storytelling sessions, interactive learning experiences, igniting imagination, love for reading, modern amenities, internet access, digital resources, multi-purpose hall, cultural and educational events, enriching the community's intellectual tapestry, haven for knowledge seekers. And lastly for today, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Take a look at some of these with me and see if you can put them into your own words. What is a perfect place to visit for leisure? Where can you find an interesting public building? What are the characteristics of the building you enjoy going to? In what ways does the architecture of the building affect your decision to visit it? And why do you have an affinity for the mentioned public buildings? And then we have a range of statements and a range of descriptions. I wish you the best of luck with that. Until the next time, take care